Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record screen on MacBook Air M4. First of all, I want to mention that I'm using the macOS version 26, so if you're using an earlier version, the instructions may be different for you. But if you are on the same version as I am, then use the combination of 3 keys to start a screen recording. The 3 keys are Shift, Command, and 5. Once you press 3 of these buttons together, you will see a bar like this, where you can select one of the recording options, either the entire screen recording, the selected window recording, or the selected portion recording. Also in options, you can adjust different options as for where you want to save this recording, the timer before the recording is started, and also what elements you want to show during the recording. So select one of these 3 options, for example the record entire screen, and then click record to start the recording. Now you'll be able to see this icon with the circle with the square in it, and this means that the screen is being currently recorded, so you can basically show anything you want during this recording, and it will be shown on the recording itself. Now to stop the recording, you have to click this icon, and then you'll see the notification popping up in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on it to see the recording preview. You can play it and see what's there. Now you can also trim it by clicking this icon. You can delete it right away by clicking the trash bin icon, or you can share it using the last icon in the top right corner of the window. And when you're done with the recording itself, click done, and it will be saved by default to your desktop if you didn't change it in the options menu before. And here is the recording that I just made. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.